Hi, this is part 18 of our CRM system, and here we will discuss the extra fields. This is the CRM application. Double click. This is the main page. Let's go to contacts. Let's click at Ali. If we click at the extra fields, there is nothing. And if we click at options, there is nothing. We need to add extra fields. Now, what do we mean by extra fields? If you look here, there is limited fields in this page. But sometimes we might need, for some contacts, extra fields. For example, we might need the date of birth. We might need to put a field for education. Now, we can create a note in the history, but that's not efficient, not very efficient. Sometimes we need a specific box. We also can write the information we want here in the note, in the general note, but also sometimes it's not very efficient. We might need a specific box for it, specific field. For example, like city, there's a specific field for city. So sometimes the company need extra fields that it is not in the contact page. This is where we create and edit and add data in extra fields. But we need first to create the extra fields for contacts module, for example. Now, the user who is able to create the extra field in the contact module for other users will use the extra field, but the one who will create the extra field need to have that privilege, the privilege of adding, editing extra field in the admin page, in the admin application admin page. And this we will show at the end of this video. The current user has this privilege, and if we click view database options, you find this option here, edit extra fields, admin page, options, choose form, let us choose contact, and here where we create extra fields. Let's create date of birth. Add a new. Let's create education. Add a new. Let's create training. Add a new. Passport number. Let's have 4 fields. That will be enough for an example. You can, for example, put this one at the top. Return it back down 1. For example, let's put down 1. And you can delete. Exit. Now we created 5 extra fields in the contacts module. Click view, click contacts, click at Ali, extra fields, and there we have the extra fields and the value that we need to enter. Let's say date of birth is 1972/04, let's say 21. Education. Now these boxes are 1 line, but you can have multiple lines. You can just click edit, and let's say he has bachelor degree in electrical engineering. let's say he has an MBA, and let's say he has, well, let's have 2 certificates, for example. And what you see is that if there is more than one line, you will have zoom. It will remind you that there is more than one line, which is zoom. And passport, for example, let's put A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B. So you have 4 fields there that you can fill. Exit, and immediately when you open Ali, you will find that there will be a reminder that there is extra fields in this contact page. Extra fields that they are filled. There is value in the extra fields, and you click there and you will find these values. If you click at, for example, Steve, you will see that there is no yes beside extra fields, because although there are extra fields for the contact page, but for Steve they are empty. There are no values here. But we can add a value. Let's say Steve has a BSc in management. Exit, and you will find that there is yes beside the extra fields. This means that there is a value edited in the extra fields. And if we click here, it is the education. And you can search extra fields. You can search in general, and you can search in detail. You will find the extra field here. For example, Ali, you will find it here. Date of birth, ID 1, and education, ID 2, etc. And if you are looking for a specific search, you can search here. So for example, if I type 1972, and there is a field where this number 1972 is available in this record, and if we look, here it is. If, for example, we search for 1973, nothing there. Clear search and return back to the main list, to the original list. Now, I need to speak about the admin, the privilege in the admin application. Let's click quit. Yes, CRM admin application. View admin. This is the current user, and there is only one user at the moment. And here you will find add, edit, extra. If I choose to clear this option, exit, quit, CRM application, click view, database options, and you will not see adding or editing extra fields. However, the normal user can go to the contacts and add, edit values for the available extra fields in the system. And at the moment, for contact database, for the contact modules, there is 4 extra fields. This is the end of part 18. Thank you for watching.